welcome to the Minecraft family channel. I have finished the ribbon embroidery, ribbon cross stitch, and I have really enjoyed it. I had to guess how you do this, and yeah, I needed to look at how it looked and then guess how I would do it. So here we have my result. I'm pretty pleased with it. The flowers doesn't look like the picture, but I think it's because they have used another kind of ribbon. It looks more silky-like. This is a satin ribbon, so it doesn't flow the same way as the other one does, but I think from a distance it looks really good. I'm really happy about my small bees. I think they turned out really nice, and I think that my leaves and the small branch that I made also turned out quite nice. In the end of the video, I've just made a small video on how I've done the branch. It wasn't as difficult as I thought. It is really fun to do. It's a quick stitch, if you want to call it a quick stitch, but I think I used around 4 hours or so on it. It was really fun to do. Especially I like to do the leaves. They were fun to do, and this ribbon here, chiffon ribbon, was really nice to work with because it lays like small leaves, so it does do really nice, and it's really easy to work with, and all of the small center of the flowers are made with small knots. So it has been really pleasure and really fun to work on. So I'm going to go on with the next one. Let me know if you want to see some tutorials. As you can see, I'm not a professional. It's not anything like the picture. Further, I'm going to do I'm going to do this into a pillow, I think. So the next thing is that I'm going to try to see if I can wash. You can see them here, the blue outline out. I think cold water is what I've heard you need to just put it in. So I'm going to try to do that. And afterwards I am going to dry it, and then we need to find some fabric for the back of the pillow, and then I'm together with Mary going to sew a pillow because she wants to try that. So I've got 2 pillow projects, this one, and I've got the beaded cross stitch pillow project as well when it's done. So yeah, but thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. Be kind in your comments. I know it's not the most professional thing, but I'm not a professional, so yeah, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.